So today we're going to be unboxing these Pistons from MI, basically Pistons Basic from MI, the company that makes smartphones, accessories and whatnot. And this comes in a fairly simple package, and that's what I like about it the most. And also these are pretty affordable, like pretty budget friendly. So yeah, let's get into the unboxing and let me show you what's in the box and whatever you need to know or I want to tell you. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's the box, and first let's have a look at the box. And this is the front, pretty basic, nothing extra over here. From the right side we get some something written in Chinese, I suppose. It says 32 ohms, 14 grams, and the cable length is 1.25 meters, 3.5 millimeter jack, of course, and the power is 5 milliwatts. So this is what you should know while getting headphones. And the thing that is important is this number, this 32 ohms number on the package. So what that means, if like this is the impedance of your drivers, if it's 32 ohms, they're probably gonna sound pretty good. Otherwise, like you might see like 16 ohms drivers in headphones or 32 ohms. You'll probably see that 32 ohm drivers sound better than the 16 ohms. It's because the you could say in a smartphone, there's like in electrical engineering, if you see that the maximum power transfer is like only happens when the input, like the internal impedance matches with the output impedance. So in that case, maximum power transfer takes place. So this is an AC signal. That's why it's called impedance instead of resistance. And in case of like it's probably matching, 32 ohms is matching your smartphone or your laptop. That's why it sounds way better than the other headphones. So this is the reason. So yeah, I'm not gonna bore you with so much theory, and over here it's just written some normal stuff about the headphones, the barcodes and the serial numbers, and of course this is an eco product. No plastics over here. One more design in the bottom, and over here there's something. Yeah, here it's written in English. It says MI type in ear. Of course this is an ergonomic design. Speaker impedance as it's written 32 ohms, and jack type 3.5 millimeter nickel plated. So if your headphone, like so if your smartphone has a 3.5 millimeter jack, you could use them, or you could use an adapter, a type C, or an Apple adapter, like a lightning adapter, lightning to 3.5 millimeter or type C to 3.5 millimeter. And the rated power is 5 milliwatts. So that's the power that's it's limited to, and the weight is 14 grams, and the cable length is 1.25 meters. So this is pretty average. Now I guess we'll open up the box. So here, peeling this up, I hope, man, this sticker really sucks. How do I open it? Here it is. I couldn't open it properly, so here is how I open it. Opening up the box, we get some Of course, the headphones, the real deal. This is why we are here. Some paperwork in case you're interested in. And these are some replaceable ear tips. So if you got big ears, small ears, you could exchange them for, like over here, these are the normal ones. So in my case, these ones fit me the best. So yeah, as you can see, this is the metallic design. And it says it is nickel plated. So this is how it is. This is the ergonomic design. So not every, like these ones are like this one is your for right ear. It's written R for right, L for left. So you cannot put it in the the wrong way because of its design. And of course these are stereo, so the sound would be in stereo the sounds are different for in right and left instead of mono headphones. And here's the cable. The cable is pretty good of like removing this from its, let's say, housing or whatever you want to call it. And this is the cable. I talked about 1.25 meters. And this is the microphone. And I forgot to mention, these are Gen 2. These are not Gen 3. The Gen 3 microphone is a bit different. It's a bit like round over here. This one is a bit like this type, and the other one is a bit different, but these are Gen 2 instead of Gen 3. And this is the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack that you're supposed to plug in. So yeah, and this is the MI and some QR code if you're interested in scanning it. And this is pretty much it for the unboxing. And if you want me to look at the exchangeable ear tips, let's have a look at them as well. How do I open it? Here we go. I open it like this, and here they are. So you could see these ones are pretty big for people who have big ears. I'm gonna put it over here for comparison. And these ones are smaller ones, and the medium ones are, let me just take them off from the headphones themselves. So this is the difference. These are the bigger ones, medium ones, smaller ones. And these are the headphones, whichever you prefer. So I'm gonna put them back. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. So yeah, and I hope you like this video. If so, then like, share, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Peace.